Hello students, welcome to this session of your computer class. So previously in the video classes we are read about the chapter 4 and chapter 4 and there before that also chapter 3 we are read. In chapter 4 we are read about the algorithm and flowcharts, and before that also Excel sheet, about that we are read, and different types of charts, how to prepare graphs, how to prepare, regarding that we are read. So today we'll discuss about the Java programming, that is your importance of the Java programming language, and this programming language, how far it is suitable for our modern days problem to solve, our real life problem, how to solve it. That one also we'll read about this. So this is just an introduction of the programming language. Okay, about the BlueJ and Java, it is in your portion. So we are going to learn. So before we are going to learn about this programming language, we'll see what is the importance of programming language in our computer. As you know that our computer is a tough machine which helps to perform our various tasks. But unless until you are not giving instruction to the computer, then computer cannot perform any type of work. So you will give instruction, accordingly computer will perform and various types of tasks. It may be a simple work, maybe a simple mathematical calculation, or any type of complex type of problem related to your scientific problem or business type of problem or multimedia action or task. So that all things can be performed by the computer, but we have to give instruction to the computer. So instruction, it is essential. Without instruction it is not possible at all, because if you speak against the computer, if you action you will do against the computer, then computer cannot recognize to perform your work. Okay, computer will not able to recognize it. So in that case, whatever instruction is the most important part, and how to give instruction, that also very much essential to know here. So the instruction whatever we are giving to the computer, that must be written in the computer's language, because computer not understands our own language, which manner we are talking each other, which manner in different language we are talking, Oriya, Hindi, English, Telugu, Marathi. So like this, many different language we are using to express our views. Okay, but in the computer, if you speak, if you give instruction by that language, then computer cannot understand, because computer's own language is there. That language if you use, then only computer can understand and recognize your words, and accordingly it will perform its task. So that all languages which all are there for the computer, to make the computer understand, to perform various types of tasks, that is called your programming language. Okay, so we will, as our language computer cannot learn, because computer not having the sense power, computer not having the intelligent power, computer cannot listen our voice. So in that case what happens, computer is a machine, so machine cannot learn our language. So like that, in the situation, if you want to do the communication with the computer, then we need to learn the computer language. So we will first learn and remember the terms, the conditions, the rules, the regulation, the grammatical rule. So that all things we will learn. Thereafter we will give instruction in writing. Okay, whatever instruction in written manner you have to give, and that written manner instruction, after giving only computer can perform its task. So first of all we need a programming language. Okay, the language of computer is programming language. This programming language we have to learn. Okay, we supposed to learn the programming language, and this programming language, after learning, then only you can give instruction. And for that you have to learn its grammar, the rule of writing, the instruction. Just like in language we are learning, you are first learning its grammar, its alphabets, what are the grammar. Like that manner, in our everyday life, which language we are speaking, we are talking, so that language to learn also we need the grammar. So grammatical mistake if you do, then also it will not able to recognize by anybody else. Okay, so if you not able to maintain the grammar of the language, then it is not possible to express all the things whatever you like to say, that cannot be understand by other person. So same manner here also, computer language, programming language, if you want to learn, you have to know the rules, regulation, or the grammar of that language. So grammar or the rules, regulation, grammar or rules of writing is called syntax. Syntax here. Okay, so syntax means what? The grammar or rules of writing. Okay, which manner the instruction to write, what are the rules of writing, every instruction whatever you will write in our programming, okay, language, that all instruction having specific rule of writing, and that rule of writing is called your what? Syntax. The next thing it is that and if you write properly that language instructions, and it is not a single writing sentence, it is a group of statements. So a group of statements, instruction written in programming language, okay, it is called here program. One problem to solve, okay, a set of sequential, okay, step by step instructions written in programming language is called program. Okay, a set of sequential, okay, okay, step by step instructions written, okay, to written a sequential step by step instructions written in programming language is called your program. Thereafter, next thing to discuss, that is what is programming, understood. Next thing to discuss, that is your what is a translator or compiler. In briefly I am telling you, programming language instructions, it is related to your English only, because its rule of writing is different, its way of representing is different, but alphabets, the words whatever it is there, that all words, alphabets are related to English. But computer also cannot recognize that English words, English alphabets, because computer only understand the machine level language. So machine instructions, that is 0 and 1. So programming language instructions are English related terms. So we need the help of compiler or translator, it is called. And translator is one of the software solution. Okay, it is a software solution which is loaded into our computer, stored in our computer, whose main task is to translate the programming language instruction to machine level language or machine 0 and 1 language. Okay, because that machine language directly it is not possible to learn by the human beings. It's difficult. You can possible, but it's difficult. Okay, so what happens? This is your programming language. Programming language. Okay, this is your machine language. That is your 0 and 1 language. Then this is your machine. This is your machine. Okay, so we are learning programming language, Programming language, after learning, we are supposed to write the programs in programming language which is related to our English alphabets we are using, English symbol we are using, English words we are using, but way of writing is different. The grammatical rule of writing is different. The way of applying the symbols is different. Okay, but it is English alphabets only we are using. So though that English alphabets, English term computer cannot understand, computer understand only 0 and 1 language, this one. Only computer can recognize 0 and 1 codes. So we need a help of translator. This translator is loaded in our computer. It is stored in our computer. So when you write program in programming language, it will give to the computer, and computer will, this translator is there in the computer. This translator is called compiler or interpreter. Compiler or interpreter, both are called translator. Both work is same, little bit different. Difference is there, but main work is same. It translates. So this translator, first it will accept the instructions all and translate it into machine code or machine level language. Again it will resupply to the computer, and computer will do the calculation. Okay, accordingly. And this work to perform, we need the help of translator or interpreter or compiler. The next thing it is that, so Java is and the person who is the doing this work, writing the programming language, after learning the programming language, after remembering the syntax rule and grammatical rule, the person who are expert to write the instruction in programming language, he is called programmer. He is called in the name of programmer. Programmers are learning the language 1 or 2 or 3. There are many programming languages, not only one. Okay, programming languages are many. COBOL, Fortran, Basic, okay, Algol. So many are there. C, C++, Java. These all are programming language. Like this, many are there. Okay, more than 50 programming languages are there. So these all languages are using to give instructions to the computer. Some are common general purpose we are using. Some are specific language are there. Specific problem to perform we are using. So these all languages which all are there. These all programming language, any 1 or 2 or 3. Anyone can learn any number of languages also, a person, but he must be expert in that language. So many persons are there, they are already know various language also, Java language they know, C++ they know, C language they know, Basic know. So like this manner, many persons are there, some are only one language they know, they are expert in one language. So that it depends upon their ability, their capability, that all. So facility, whatever it is there, so accordingly they are learning. Then after learning this language, then thereafter they will become the programmer. Even maybe 2 or language they learn, or maybe 10 language they might be learned, but they are called the programmer. Okay, so programmer, after that